Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert an Excel file to PDF without opening the Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your computer. Then we can see here the Excel file. Now we want to convert the file to an PDF. Go to your browser. Now I am open my Edge browser. Then write convert Excel to PDF. Then click enter. Now we can see here many website. Now I am open the website. Then click select Excel file. Then choose my Excel file from our computer. Select this file and click open. Then we can see here the option is convert to PDF. Select this and wait some moment to converting the file as a PDF. Then select download PDF option and we can see here the PDF file. Now I am open the file option and open the file in another tab. Now we can see here the PDF file. Now we can see we convert our Excel file to PDF without opening very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.